So today is our first day in Kuala Lumpur. We are staying in the area of Chow Kit. Yeah, this is the area of Chow Kit. And let's go for a walk and then let's see what we have here. It's already 10 a.m. in the morning and I'm just going for a walk to see what anyone have to offer here in Chow Kit. Because I want to live in a downtown. I said I can't find a better downtown than Chow Kit. So yeah, I book in Chow Kit. So this is the area Chow Kit. And one thing I saw is a lot of Indians here. It's a little bit like strange because when I went to Indonesia, Philippines, but here you see them a lot. You really see them a lot. Nearly everywhere on the street you see them. So yeah, this is one of the a little bit strange feeling. But it look like Malaysia is become like a true India. So yeah, so I'm just exploring the Chow Kit early. 10 it's not early morning, it's already 10 a.m. The area of Chow Kit 10 a.m. So I'm just going for a walk. There's a train going up. You can see. So I can show you the shops around here. These are the shops around here. If I feel hungry, I will be thinking to eat some chicken fry or something like that. Nasi padang. So they have nasi padang here. Let's go to the market and let me show you more. I think the market is so we are entering a market, the Chow Kit Market, and let's see what do they have to offer here. Let me turn the camera around. So this is the market. Nothing much to offer. Is a very tiny market. Like even calling a market doesn't sell. It's very tiny. Let's see something here. Some shoes. No, I don't want to get some shoes. So what is this? Dangling halal. I think some frozen food here. There's a man enjoying some drink in the morning. Hotel seats. Okay, we can do some shopping from here later on. I just want to show you what else we have to see here. What else we have here. That's what I want to show you. There's a lot of markets, you can buy some shoes, some flip flop, and then you can go to this mall to see what do they have to offer there. And this mall look quite nice. Some more clothes shop here. Some mall. It's quite nice.